Hi guys, I'm Dr Matee, the hair transplant surgeon at KSL.
Hi, my name is Dr. Ahmed. I'm an aesthetics doctor and GP.
Okay, so Dr Ahmed, tell me how I can look after my skin.
Well, I think you look great, but
Thank you.
step one, come into
Yeah,
my clinic. I'm in Nuance today. You're going to take care of my hair,
yeah.
but come over. We'll do some treatments. I think you look fantastic, but maybe a facial or something just help boost the skin a little bit.
Yeah, I'm going to be going on holiday in a couple of weeks' time. Is
Yeah.
there any specific skin advice you would give?
I think the main thing is using SPF every day,
Yeah.
SPF 50, not using your retinol, say 5-6 days beforehand, and hydrating plenty and drinking water.
Okay, so in terms of your hair, like you were
Yeah.
asking, so what we're going to do is slightly lower the hairline. So we've treated Dr Ahmed before in the past, and he's here again, and we'll sure he leaves as happy as he was last time.
I'm really excited, to be honest with you. It's
Yeah.
like the first results were incredible, and this is why obviously I'm back again. I think lowering the hairline a little bit, maybe my 1 centimeter, and just redensifying the front will just be incredible. Dr. Matee, what are the 3 non-negotiable things for my hair?
So I would recommend a good hair growth shampoo, regular PRP. So I get a PRP done every 6 months, even after a hair transplant, to mention, and either take multivitamins or have a very good diet. And I think that's really important for circulation and also the scalp health.
Sure.
And so likewise, what is the 3 important things for skin that you would advise?
And for people that wear makeup or generally quite oily, a bit cleansing in the evening. Actually, reassessing in the morning. If you're not that oily, you actually might not need to cleanse at all in the morning. I'm using a really nice moisturizer during the day, an SPF. I might add a 4th one. I'm cheating a little bit.
Yeah.
Prescription retinol, is retinoin particularly, is the holy grail when it comes to skin quality.